Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. In this video, you will know about the economics related MCQs, and this video is very much important to crack the first paper of Nepal Rashtra Bank. At the same time, this is equally important for Agriculture Development Bank Limited. And if you are new in our channel and if you haven't watched the previous part of economics related MCQs, the link is given in the description box below. You can check it out. Now let's start the video. Question number 1. Expansion and contraction of demand curve occurs due to options are change in the price of commodity, change in the price of substitute or complementary goods, change in income, and none. The correct answer is option A, change in the price of commodity. Now let's know the expansion and contraction of demand. When quantity demanded increases due to the decrease in price of the commodity, that is known as the expansion in demand, whereas when quantity demanded decreases due to the increases in price of the commodity is known as contraction in demand. Question number 2. Demand for a commodity refers to options are need for the commodity, desire for the commodity, amount of the commodity demanded during a particular price and particular time, quantity demanded of that commodity. The correct answer is option C, amount of the commodity demanded during a particular price and particular time. Number 3. Demand of a commodity depends upon options are price, income, price of related goods, and all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 4. What is gross domestic product? Options are the total value of goods and services manufactured in the country, the total value of all the transactions in the country, the reduction in the total value of goods and services produced in the country, the monetary value of all finished goods and services made within a country during a specific period. The correct answer is option D, the monetary value of all finished goods and services made within a country during a specific period of time. Question number 5. The price of mango is increases by 22% and the quantity demanded falls by 25%. This indicates that demand for mango is options are elastic, inelastic, unitary elastic, and perfectly elastic. The correct answer is option A, elastic, because in this case the price increases by 22% and the quantity demanded falls by 25%, and which is greater than the increase in price, so the demand for mango is elastic. Question number 6. What is the value of elasticity of demand if the demand for the goods is perfectly elastic? Options are 0, 1, infinity, and less than 0. The correct answer is option C, infinity. Demand is said to be perfectly elastic when the price elastic demand coefficient is equal to infinity. Question number 7. The demand of which type of goods do not decrease with increase in its price? Options are comfort goods, luxury goods, necessities goods, and capital goods. The correct answer is option C, necessities goods. The example of necessity goods are water, rice, oil, etc. So if we need this type of necessity good, we cannot think about its price, and we cannot say we will buy after the decrease in price of this necessity good, because demand of necessary good does not fall with increase in price, because people need these goods everyday manner and they cannot live without this necessity good, so people have to purchase these goods at any cost. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 8. If the price of any complement goods rises, options are demand curve shifts to left, demand curve shifts to right, demand curve moves downwards, and demand curve moves upward. The correct answer is option A, demand curve shifts to left. Now let's know what is complementary goods. Complementary goods are those goods which are consumed together. For example, car and petrol, and pen and ink. These all are the example of complementary goods. Number 9. What is an Engel's curve? Options are another name of the demand curve, curve showing both demand and supply curves, curve named after Lord Engels, and all of the above. The correct answer is option C, curve named after Lord Engels. The Engel curve, named after the German statistician Ernst Engel, is a relationship between the demand for a good and the income of its buyers. The Engel curve of an individual consumer can be obtained from his income consumption curve. Last question, number 10. What is income elasticity of demand when income changes by 20% and demand changes by 40%? Options are 1 by 2, 2, 0.33, none. The correct answer is option B, 2. Now let's see how it calculates. Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in demand divided by percent change in price. Now let's calculate it. In questions, we can see that the demand changes is given 40% and income changes given 20%. So let's divide both. Now we get the answer 2%. So the correct answer is option B, 2%. Thank you for watching us. This much for today's video. In next video, we will come up with the more information about the economics, banking and etc. Till then, please watch our channel, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.